All right, let us define whole numbers. So this is something you've been hearing many times ago, that we have whole numbers, whole numbers. What is even whole numbers? Good. Whole numbers are counting numbers including zero. Or we say whole numbers are natural numbers including zero. Let me write it for you. Whole numbers are natural numbers including zero. The question now is, what are natural numbers? So it's something we have done before. You remember in the last video we said natural numbers are counting numbers. So those numbers that we use to count. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But this set of whole numbers include zero. So I have to put zero in front because zero is smaller than all of this. So it means set of whole numbers is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But the set of natural numbers start from 1 because we start counting with 1. If you want to count how many children you have in your environment, you start with 1, 2, that's counting numbers or natural numbers. But whole numbers begin from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Good. Now, this set of whole numbers will have a general symbol for representing whole numbers, and that is W. So I can say W equal to this. Now, I don't want to leave it open like this. I will just put it in a set bracket. Remember what we call this set, what we call these brackets in my previous video. This is what we call curly brackets. Curly brackets. Good. Let me ask you another question. I will know whether you are actually following me or not. So what do we call the name of these 3 dots? Oh, you remember? Good. We call it, we call them what? Suspension points. Suspension points. It is standard in mathematics. It shouldn't be more than 3. If your own is more than 3, you are wrong. You are out, and it shouldn't be less than 3 dots. 3 points. We call them suspension points. What do we use it to indicate? Tell me. We use it to indicate continuity. That is, the set does not end at 5. It continues 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far, the number must be a whole number. No attachment. It must not have point something. It must not have it must not even be negative. It must not have point anything. It must not be a fraction. So that's what we call whole numbers. Good. Another thing that I want you to remember is that this kind of set that does not have end. So what name do we call such sets? Remember, we call them infinite sets. So that means a whole number set is infinite set. Now, another thing you need to know is that the set of whole numbers contain the entire set of natural number. So this is something you need to know. So you can see that starting from here and above, these are natural numbers. Plus 0, this is the whole of these whole numbers. So that means natural number is a subset of this. That is a set that is brought out of whole number set. It's a subset. So in mathematics, don't say I'm taking you too far yet. So be understanding that concept little by little. That means natural number is a subset of whole number. So we can use this symbol to represent subset of whole number. That is, it is inside the set of whole number. Again, we can say whole numbers contain natural number. That is, the set of whole numbers contain the set of natural numbers. So mathematics is very easy. Once you know concept, you will understand it. It's very easy. Thank you.